I'm Aswathi Balakrishnan, and in today's video, we are going to be creating this festive look. As we all know, Onam is around the corner and I want to play around with some colors. So please keep watching to know how we create this look. So guys, we're going to be getting started with the eyes first because to avoid all the fallouts, and since we're going for a bit of dramatic smoky eye, I'm going to take my Lakme Absolute White Intense Concealer in the shade Medium and I'm going to go in all over my eyelid as a base. So let's get started. I'm taking a bit of concealer, alright, on my eyelid, and I'm going to use a brush and blend it all over my eyelid. And next we're moving to the eyeshadow palette, one of my absolute favorites, that is Lakme Absolute Infinity Eyeshadow Palette. It has a lot of beautiful shades, as you guys can see, a lot of warm tones, a lot of shimmer, that can be pop. So I love this. So we're starting with one of the base shades, beautiful peachish nude shade. I'm just going to go all over my eyelid. Next up, I'm going to build this more with a bit of brownish shade from the same palette, the color which is right next to it. Let's just blend this in. Now I'm going to move to the next darkest shade, that is a maroonish kind of shade. I'm just going to take that a bit on my brush. I'm just going to make the transition. I'm going to build the base with the darkest shade, and so highly pigmented that I don't really have to just keep taking more colors. You can see how I probably use the shades twice from the palette, and that's it. So guys, next what I'm going to be doing is I have my Lakme Ultimate Kohl Kajal with me. I'm just going to draw a line which is very close to my lash line, and I'm just going to blend it all the way to create that smoky eye look. Take the same Kohl Kajal and I'm going to just run it through my lower lash line. And now we're going to get to the base, and for that I have two foundations here, that is Lakme 9 to 5, which I use for a daily use. Then I have Lakme Absolute Argan Oil 1. This is perfect for people who have dry skin. Like my skin is a bit on the drier end, and I love the finish. It has amazing coverage. So if you're looking for something with a bit more coverage, you must go with Lakme Argan Oil Foundation. And if you're looking for like medium to full coverage, you can always go for Lakme 9 to 5, which has primer plus matte. So guys, next I'm gonna go with Lakme Absolute Illuminating Shimmer Brick. So I'm just gonna use the same shade for my highlighter and my blush. So the top shade, I'm gonna use it as my blush, and the bottom, I'm going to use it as my highlighter. Now I'm going to finish the look with some mascara and eyeliner. So for that, I'm going to be using the Lakme Absolute Shine Line. Next up, I'm going to go in with my Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara, and just gonna finish up my eyes. So guys, the last and final step is lipstick. I'm using Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color in the shade Red Smoke. As you guys can see, it gives a perfect finish and super easy to apply, and I love this Red Smoke shade. It completely adds to the look that we have created. It's not looking way over the top, it's going perfectly fine. So this is the final look, you guys. So I'm just gonna quickly change and show you guys how festive ready we can get. That's it guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys some other time.